Look at Sully over there. Just munching on some grass, sniffing around. Dogs. What up, what up? It's been a minute since I've videoed anything or uploaded anything, so welcome back if you've been waiting. There's only a couple things that we're gonna do today. Well, really just one thing that we're gonna do today. We're just gonna mow. It's been 10 days since I've mowed, but if you remember from the last video, we laid down Pre-Emergent and mowed down, well, maybe I didn't tell you guys, but we definitely laid Pre-Emergent and I mowed down 1/2 inch. So from 2.5 inches down to 2 inches. And now that we're in fall, the grass isn't growing as fast. So it's not really tall, but it does just need to be mowed. The Bioadvance Pre-Emergent, I've got to tell you, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I haven't seen anything popping up as far as grassy weeds or crabgrass or anything like that. And again, like if I didn't put any Pre-Emergent down or anything like that, stuff from this field would likely already be crawling and encroaching into my yard. But as you can see, there's a pretty good separation between the Bermuda and all the weeds. Like, it's done pretty good. I applied pretty heavily along this line, which is part of why this could be stressed here. It could also mean that my sprinklers aren't reaching all the way out there. But I'm pretty satisfied with that Bioadvance. The only weeds that I'm noticing that the Bioadvance didn't cover is spurge and this sedge grass. So I don't know what kind of sedge grass this is. In the past, I would just pull those, but I learned from a buddy of mine. He was like, you don't pull those. Pulling them only makes them spread more. I did some research on it and it does. You pull the sedge grass and it stimulates the roots, and then the roots basically grow. So if you're like me and you were pulling them and you didn't know about that, now you do. Don't pull that weed. Spurge you can pull, you just have to be careful. It does have irritants. It will irritate your skin, make you itchy. So if you're gonna pull spurge, wear gloves or something. That's really all I got for today. The Bioadvance has been doing a great job. No broadleaf weeds, no crabgrass is coming up, other than areas where the Pre-Emergent may not have been applied, like behind my AC unit or my flower bed. I've been pulling some stuff out of the flower bed, which is fine. I don't have any issues with that because I'm gonna redo the flower bed in the spring anyway. Spurge and the sedge grass are the only things that I'm really dealing with right now. The spurge I'm just gonna pull by hand and try not to spread the seedlings everywhere. That's another heads up with spurge. Wear gloves, but also be aware that it drops a ton of seeds if you pull it up. Try to bag it. Keep a bag next to you while you're throwing away the spurge and not walk around with it. All right, let's get to mowing. Oh man, I'm not sure how much longer my mower is gonna last. It was feeling and sounding a little bit weak. The neighborhood crew doing their job today too. I just hope it lasts me the rest of the season, because I don't have money to get a new one, so wish me luck. Well, my stinking phone died yesterday while I was filming mowing, so that stinks. I finished mowing, edging, and all that good stuff. That's pretty much all there is to it. The Pre-Emergent is doing a great job at keeping a lot of the broadleaf weeds down, grassy weeds out for sure. The only thing, like I said earlier, that I'm seeing is just spurge and some sedge grass. For the sedge grass and the spurge, I can just get spot weed killer and spray them that way, which I'll probably end up doing. That's just not in the budget right now. If you're like me and you've got other financial obligations that take priority over the lawn, then hey, listen, lawn care can wait. It can take time. It's not a rush. You don't have to rush. So it just in case anybody needed that reminder, because I have to remind myself too, right? I watch a lot of other lawn care channels and I'm like, I've got to get this now. I've got to get a new mower. I've got to get a new edger and all this stuff. I got to get all these products. And then I start adding up all the money. I'm like, dang, I don't have the money for that. You don't need it. Like, I use all the same equipment. One mower, one string trimmer, one spreader, one blower. That's it. I use the same stuff. So it just takes time. Everything takes time. There's no need to rush. So if you needed that reminder, I guess you're welcome. I don't know. I know I need to remind myself of that. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your support. If there's any changes that you want to see made to this channel, please let me know. Your feedback is important to me. If I'm talking too much or you want to just see more mowing, just let me know in the comments. That would be phenomenal. Like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, do all the good things to keep us growing. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.